Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating footage you can actually use. Search YouTube and apply the Creative Commons filter, then inspect the video description for explicit license or permission. Once you find a candidate, make sure the uploader's license is valid and note any attribution requirements. If the clip is not CC, message the creator for written permission. If they agree, save that message. Do not assume reuse is allowed. Confirm before downloading or editing. Now you edit with purpose. Transform the material so your use is demonstrably different. Crop and reframe shots, add a clear voiceover or narration, change speed subtly, and overlay graphics or subtitles. Once done, combine Creative Commons clips with your own footage to strengthen originality. Make sure to document every source and license. Take screenshots of license tags, and save permission emails. These records help if someone questions your right. Finally, publish with transparent attribution. List the original title, creator, exact license, and a link in your description, plus any required credit on screen. After upload, monitor copyright claims. If one appears, use your saved license screenshots and permission emails to dispute or contact the uploader to resolve it. If YouTube blocks the video, edit out the disputed segment or obtain a written license. This closes the loop and protects your channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.